Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are moving off to Varanasi and presently we are in Bangalore. So we're going to meet our family after a long while. And guys, it's being a big saga. Like two flights got cancelled first and one rescheduled, and now finally we're going home today. So the entire video describe about how the travel will be, and you can see throughout the video I'm trying to vlog the whole experience because I know a lot of people want to travel and yeah, really curious if they want to visit safe. So I'm gonna take you through this experience firsthand, what it's like traveling during pandemic from Bangalore to Varanasi. And it's like a 2.5 hour flight. So I'm gonna show you every step and problem and highlight along the way. So the first thing you need to do is web check-in. It is mandatory and you can do the web check-in 48 hours before your flight. And also while doing the web check-in, you need to fill the health declaration form online. And next thing, you need to download the Arogya Setu app in your phone, and your status in the Arogya Setu app should show green. That means you are safe or at lower risk of infection. So here we reach the airport within the time, and you need to wear the mask and other protective gear before you enter the airport. So after reaching the airport, we are going to walk to the thermal screening station where the staff will take our body temperature and check our status on Arogya Setu app. Here you can see a long queue, but people are maintaining physical distance. Remember, reach the airport 2 hours before. So we are inside the airport and we are generating our baggage tag and pasted it ourselves on our check-in luggage. We are going to drop our luggage, and this is the updated check-in counter. And here we show the barcode for the digital scan, and you need to show your ID proof as well. So once you reach your boarding gate area, airline authorities will be issuing you a safety kit which includes of a mask, a face shield and a few pouches of sanitizer.
Switched off or in the flight mode for the entire duration of the flight. Electronic devices should be switched off during takeoff and landing. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and consumption of alcohol, is not permitted and is a punishable offense. Smoke detectors in the lavatories will alert the cabin crew immediately. Kindly refrain from using personal cleaning products in the cabin as they may interact with disinfectant.
So we are about to land in Varanasi in few minutes, and I can see the beautiful Ganga plain. It's a fertile plain, and the farming on the Ganga plain primarily consists of wheat and rice. And yes, we finally reached Banaras. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.